today we're gonna be creating our first assembly. So I'll be creating two parts. So let's start with the first part. So go to new parts. Okay. So extrude boss. I want to sketch on the front plane. So I'll click on the front plane. I'll pick the rectangular tool. And our dimension for a rectangle is 120 millimeter by 120 millimeter. So exit sketch. So we'll set the depth to 25 millimeters. Good. So we're going to sketch a cycle on this face. So I'll click on the face, click on sketch, then pick the cycle tool, hover around the origin, and draw a cycle. I want the diameter of this cycle to be 70 millimeters. Click OK. Good. Then on features, click extrude boss. So I want this to be 20 millimeters. Depth 20 millimeters. So I want to create a hole through this face. So I'm going to click on that face, click on sketch. I'm going to click on offset entities. So we want, make sure it's set to 10, then reverse, then good. Then go to features, extrude cut through all. Good. So let's click on the fillet, change the fillet to, the fillet is a 10, so click on this edge, the four edges. Four edges. Very good. Fillet, click on this and click on this face. Okay. Then click on fillet, change it to 5 millimeters radius, and click on this face. Symmetric. So let's click on shell. Let's make it 2 millimeter thickness. Then click on the face, this face. Good. So we have our shell. So let's add material to this component. So we're going to add material to this component. So under material, right click, we're going to select steel. Okay, edit material. So let's pick steel, apply, close. So click on this drop to make sure you pick the replane, the review graphics. Oh, it's not looking too bright. So let's check another color. Click on this appearance, edit my appearance, then pick this color right here. Oh, let's pick this. Wow, this is good. Or prefer a silver color. Wow, this is good. Okay, so save this part. Let's save this part. click on save. I'm going to save it as part A. Good. So exit from this sketch. So we're going to create the second part. Just click on new, click on part. Okay. Then click on extrude boss. Want to sketch on the front plane. Click on rectangle. Want the sizes to be 120 by 120. Length and breadth 120 by 120. Okay, very good. So exit from sketch. So set the thickness to 90. Then click OK. Let's apply fillet. Fillet 10 to 1. This edge. Click on this edge. Make sure you're selecting the edge. No. Very good. Okay. So click on shell. We want the thickness to be 4 millimeters. Select this face. Good. So on this face over here, we want to create extrude cut feature on this face. So click on the face, click sketch. So click on this edge. Press Ctrl and select these edges. Then click on Convert Entities. Wow. Then click on Offset Entities. Change it to 2 millimeters. So pick want it reverse. So we have our sketch ready. So exit sketch, go to features, extrude cut. So set the depth of the extrude cut to 20 millimeters and click OK. So we're going to add materials to this part. So show material, steel. So let's pick steel, apply. So let's change the color. So we're going to change the color to good. So we are good. So save this part. To save as part B. So close. Then let's start a new assembly. So click the assembly. OK. So we import the two parts, part A, part B. Okay, so we have one, we have a second part here. So we are going to be applying meat. So click on meat, click on this face here. Click on this face also. Coincidence. The asymmetric view so you can see clearly. So click on OK. Then you click on this face and this face. Click on OK. Click on this face. Click on this face. So this is our assembly. So click OK. So this is what we have created, the first assembly. So I'm going to save this as my first assembly. First assembly. Okay, thank you for watching.